The liftable gooseneck low-bed semi-trailer features a lifting gooseneck system that allows smooth height adjustment during loading and unloading. This structure enhances operational flexibility while maintaining strong load-bearing performance. It is ideal for heavy-duty semi-trailers that requires precise positioning and safe handling. Liftable gooseneck low-bed semi-trailer for heavy equipment. Key advantages: liftable gooseneck for flexible operation, smooth loading and unloading process, high structural strength and stability, suitable for demanding heavy transport tasks.